welcome back to the Corn-Fed Experience. It is a winter wonderland, y'all. Iowa is getting slammed. It is currently 4:22 a.m. I'm on my way to work. So far, I would probably guess, what I said on my last update, about 6 inches. So, yeah, it's really hitting us pretty good. Roads don't seem too bad. Of course, this is the first road I've come upon, and this snow is real wet and heavy and sloshy. Oh, come on, cars, what are you doing? Oh yeah, there goes Mr. Gung Ho. He's got a 4-wheel drive and he can do 80 miles an hour. Yes, I do have 4-wheel drive and I'm locked in. But I'm still not one of those guys that's going to go 100 miles an hour. But, there's your update, guys. It's slick. Just did a little slide there. It is slick, it is snowy, and it is cold. Now, I don't know if I'm going to make this stop. Nope, I'm not. But I better get off here and concentrate on driving, guys. Thanks for joining me. You guys, remember, like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate everybody being here. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what your weather's doing. We'll catch you guys on the next one. See ya.